Question about promised gifts. If a husband promised to buy his wife some gifts, is he obligated to fulfill it?
Absolutely. Don't lie to your wife. Women, just so I know, for us men, we must remember that women do not forget. Understand? Men do forget, and whatever they do say, but women never forget. Never, ever, ever. So, and I said a few times when I was trying to make a shalom bias, and she was yelling like, "You remember what you said on that second week after we got married?" Said no. What did you say? And she like started like, and she playing in roles like telling exactly how the conversation went. And I don't know, maybe they were married for more than 20 years. You understand? And she remember, and she took this. They were younger in their 20s, I guess, but she took it very seriously because he promised. So men must deliver. So whatever you promise. So this bli neder thing is not going to fly with the wife. Understand? That's you say, you do, you deliver. So sometimes we need some. I don't know, maybe more time, but try not to cancel. Promise, especially if she's waiting, if she got excited because of that, and especially it's something like spiritual. I mean, it could be physical, but spiritual. So if a husband promised to look, honey, we have to change your wardrobe, and she said, okay, you know what, that's what I thought, but we don't have money. He said, no, for this we do have money, and I'm going to start buying you things starting next month. And he forgot, he bought himself, I don't know, new sneakers or something. Understand? So it's not proper. Must deliver, especially to the wife. If this what I'm trying to say, this physical, that could be, it's not could be, it is spiritual. Or he promised to buy her something for a kitchen, some appliance. Okay, maybe for him it's he does not see the use, but she needs it. She said, I'm going to like benefit from that, so he must do it. Must do it. Wife is it says that parnasa of the person, right, the branch like in Shemaim, that parnasa connects to the tznius of the wives and her happiness. So, and she's going to observe and observe and be close to Hashem. Why? Because she wants to make her husband happy. And sometimes the woman goes opposite, different direction, like not because she's wicked, but because of the stupid husband. She's trying to get his attention, you know. And like at least in one case in my life, it was very clear. That's like she said, I don't know what happened to her. She's flipped this and that. So now she was like this, and now she like. And then I heard this story. What's going on? Like, I mean, I'm not genius, but it was very, very obvious. So she was trying to like to make a statement. So I said, you change. She's okay. She's you change. You stop doing whatever you do, and then she's going to follow just to make you happy. Understand? So don't if you promise something to your wife and it's not purely material, but it's like it could be material, but more spiritual, like connected to spiritual, must do it. Right?